Hello everyone, welcome back to the another interesting video. Guys, in this video I'll teach you the tutorial of how to make an outline in the photo as you see in the thumbnail. So guys, this effect is very simple. You don't have to use Photoshop, Illustrator and other hard video editing software. I'll teach you in the very simple editing tips and tricks. Let's start the tutorial.
Now guys, open your Chrome browser and search canva.com and press enter. So the website is open, click on the create design in the corner and type YouTube thumbnail size, and you can choose any size of. So guys, I am choosing YouTube thumbnail size. Now the new website is open. After the website is open, choose the color to the black, or you can choose any background color. I am choosing black. Now click on the upload button in the corner. Click upload files and you can choose the image which you want to make a outline. I have already inserted an image. Now I am using previous one. So this image I can make an outline. So after the inserting an image, click on the edit image button. First of all, you have to remove a background. You can remove a background. So now background is removed. Click on the apply button. Now click on the shadow button in the corner and click on draw glow shadow, or you can choose any shadow options. So I am choosing the glow. Here you can see the glow effect is done, and we can resize the image and enlarge the image. So click on the C controls and reduce the blur and increase the transparency of the image. You can choose the size according to your image and the outline you want. So now guys, tutorial is completed. You can click on the apply button to change and there are the many options in the shadow option like draw shadow and the drop and many others. So guys, thanks for watching.
So guys, if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. And guys, please like the video and share with your friends and family.